Guys, welcome back to Jeizel Kitchen. If you're new in my channel, please don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more. And today I'm going to share what I buy during my weekly grocery. So this is what I got. So make sure we put all fresh vegetable to keep us healthy, especially we have kids, and make sure we have greens. This is the green beans, sweet chard, apple, parsnip, cabbage. I like cabbage for soup, like beef soup, chicken soup, and we have lemon, green pepper, we got onion, red bell pepper, tomato, banana, cucumber, and sweet potato. I like sweet potato. Just put in the oven, just bake it for 30 minutes. It's my Jeizel favorite. And broccoli. I got ginger, and this is one of my favorite for breakfast. Avocado. And that's all. So we love buying fresh vegetable, fruits. Make sure we have a green vegetable every day. Oh, so after the healthy food, this is a once a week treat, or if I like a treat for myself. So this is the kind of food I have. Sparkling water, 7-Up, noodles. I like noodles. It's a comfort food for me. This one, I think it's a spicy one. And chicken noodles. I like it once in a while. And I got cheese. I like orange juice. And I have chocolate. I like orange chocolate. That's my favorite. Some cookies, some chip. This one. And yeah, that's my favorite. And I got some eggs and pancake for breakfast. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.